Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. Digambar Kamat's anticipatory bail case in legal tangle. Prosecution says High Court should hear matter on merits. Court say maintainability first, merits later. It's U-turn again. Government defers shifting of casinos out of Mandovi to 31st March 2016. CM says alternate site till unidentified can't hurt casino operators. Vigilance nabs Transport Department Peon Dattaram Gaude red-handed while accepting bribe of 1 lakh rupees. Police tracking corruption chain in RTO. Sameer and Arjun Salgankar get interim relief. Duo will appear before SIT on 31st August. Prosecution says will not arrest till matter is decided. Taxi driver murder outside casino. Police arrest 4 accused in Shanur murder case from Panji bus stand. Taxi operators' internal war reason behind murder. And Churchill Brothers taste victory in GFA Pro League first round. Sporting Club de Goa slumped to shock defeat. And now the news in detail. The maintainability of Prime Branch's plea challenging anticipatory bail to Digambar Kamat is in question. The High Court has reserved order on the maintainability of the appeal challenging anticipatory bail granted to Digambar Kamat. Counsel of Digambar has contended that Crime Branch's petition is at present premature. Defense counsel further contended that Digambar should have been arrested technically and released on bail before approaching the High Court. CM confirmed there were no talks about handing over JICA bribery probe to CBI during his meeting with PM.
During the hearing before the High Court on Friday, counsel for Digambar Kamat contended that Crime Branch has challenged order of the Panji Special Court, in which the Special Court had ordered to release Digambar on bail in case of arrest by the Crime Branch. Hence, before filing appeal before the High Court, Crime Branch should have technically executed order of the Special Court. In reply, Special Public Prosecutor requested High Court to hear and decide the questions of merit of the case and maintainability of the petition. Prosecution further contended that the investigation is at a crucial stage and Digambar's custody should be granted as interim relief. After hearing both the sides, the High Court observed that question of maintainability should be decided before hearing on the merit of the case. The court reserved order for either Thursday or Friday. Meanwhile, the High Court adjourned hearing on Churchill's bail plea for Thursday as the prosecution sought time to file reply. Prosecution allowed to supply reply in advance on Monday, the defense side.
CM confirmed there were no talks about handing over JICA probe to CBI during his meeting with PM.
CBI investigation, was that discussed at all?
No.
Because there are 2 states involved?
No, but on that aspect it was not discussed.
Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
BJP-led government has once again failed on its deadline to shift casinos out of Mandovi River. Government has deferred its decision on shifting casinos. CM Parsekar informed the decision on shifting casinos is deferred till 31st March 2016. CM said government is yet to identify alternate sites to anchor casinos. While expressing concern about retaining casino investors' confidence, CM claimed that people residing on banks of river pollute Mandovi and not the casinos. Government has received only 15 objections and suggestions on shifting casinos to 4 proposed sites.
The present proposal is to grant extension to the offshore casino licenses to relocate their offshore casinos from River Mandovi for a further period from 30/8/2015 to 31st March 2016. Till alternate site is finalized by government, whichever is earlier, फुडल्या 4 महिन्यात चौघांची एक्सपायर जातात, अर्लिएस्ट हो फाल्यां आसा. आता जो सुरवातीच्या काळात आरोप असलो तो जास्त आरोप हो ते घाण करतात मांडवीन म्हणून असलो, पण पोल्युशन कंट्रोल बोर्डान पूर्ण खबरदारी घेतात. मांडवीत सांतिनेज नालो आणि बाकी न्हंय धोवणारी जी बाकीची वाहनां आसात, अनेक ठिकाणी देगेक जी हॅबिटेशन्स आसात पाईप घालून संडास आणि मान्यातले हे सुद्धा सोडलेले आसात मांडवीन.
Government had asked for suggestions on shifting casinos at proposed places. 15 suggestions have been received till date.
4 जागो सुचयल्ल्यो, 15 सजेशन्स आयल्यान. आग्वाद बेच्या पॉइंटाचेर विरोध करणारी 3 सजेशन्स आयल्यान. शापोराक रिव्हरीत घालपा खातीर ऑब्जेक्शन्स 7 जाणांचे आयल्यान. जनरल ऑब्जेक्शन्स 3 आसात, म्हणजे नाकाच ते हांगा म्हणून अशी आसात. आणि 2 आयल्यान ही ना आसा तश्यो दवर म्हणून सांगपा लागले.
Government's casino policy says by 2015 casinos would be moved out of Mandavi River, failing which licenses will not be renewed. 4 licenses to casinos are expiring in 2015. Horseshoe Casino's license expires on 29th August 2015. License of Casino Pride expires on 12th September 2015. Casino Royale's license expires on 23rd October and Boa Sort Casino license expires on 3rd December 2015. Now government is expected to renew licenses of casinos. Meanwhile, Alex Reginald alleged that casinos were the reservoir of Hawala transactions. He revealed the name of the agent and declared to reveal some more in coming days. Hardly 205 Goans are employed on casinos. That too, they are abused and harassed.
Hawala transactions, I am revealing one name, one Mr. Ravi. I am challenging the ED to raid the. I am going to reveal another few names another few days more. There are 4 or 5 dealers have made permanent Hawala dealers there in the casinos. ED in thing raid मारो जायो, political raid मारता असताना तिंगाय raid मारपा जायो. मांडवी शिफ्टिंग म्हणते आज पासून जायना. कितले पयशे गव्हर्नमेंटान गेले यांका दवरपाक आणि आमगे गोंयकारांकडे ह्यो लेटर दिताय यांका पर्पसली लेटर दिताय कजिनो दवरपाक. कंप्लेन देखून केले जाल्यार तेंक थ्रेटन आहा, तेंक सर्विसीक काडटलो वयल्यान थ्रेटन आहा. आमी गोंयकारां मागतात पासून. That is not the first case.
Bureau Report, Prudent. Corrupt staff from the RTO is once again in the Vigilance Department net. Senior peon of Transport Department was caught red-handed while accepting bribe of 1 lakh rupees. Anti-Corruption Bureau arrested Dattaram Gowde alias Damu on Friday from the headquarters of Directorate of Transport in Panji. Recently, ACB had arrested 2 RTOs, Uday Gawas and his associate, for taking bribe. However, despite several raids and seizures, the vigilance team is yet to track the roots of corruption chain in the RTO.
Have a look. He is Dattaram Gowde, popularly known among the staff as Damu. He is the senior peon of Transport Department in Panji. On Friday, Anti-Corruption Bureau officials caught him red-handed while accepting bribe of 1 lakh rupees.
Today, upon the written complaint of one Alistair Fernandez, Assistant MV Inspector working for the Director of Transport Panji and presently based at Kalangut, we have registered an offence under the provisions of Prevention of Corruption Act 1988 against one Sri Damo, peon for the Director of Transport Panji. Subsequently, we organized a trap and the accused person, Dattaram Gowde alias Damo, was caught red-handed while demanding and accepting a bribe amount of rupees 1 lakh. Further investigation is in progress. The accused person had initially demanded an amount of rupees 5 lakhs and a deadline was given to pay the amount today by 09:15 hours at his office. And thereafter, with this raid, we have nabbed him. He is being remanded to police custody and will be producing him tomorrow. And it was regarding the pretext for asking the bribe money was regarding some pending service matter, which was pending before the Director of Transport and the vigilance officer.
Recently, ACB had arrested two RTOs, Uday Gavas and his associate, for taking bribe. But vigilance team is yet to track down the roots of corruption change in the transport department. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.